Okay, let me hide this. All right, so to get to the portfolio, there's a couple of steps we need to do. I need everyone right now to go ahead and just open Google for me. Open Google. Once you open Google, I call this little tool up in the corner the waffle, where you click on the waffle. Some people say it looks like a fly swatter. And then you're going to click on sites. Okay, so Google waffle sites. Now yours should look empty. I have like a bazillion things in here because I've done them for years. So there's lots and lots and lots of portfolios in here. But yours should look empty. Okay. What you're going to do, we used to have kiddos start like from scratch. But this summer, what the English department did is we made a template that is already set up exactly how we want it. You'll just be able to manipulate it. So what you're going to do is you're going to go up here where it says template gallery and click on it. And then you'll see under Springfield Clark CTC the template we want you to use. Go ahead and open that, please. It will take a moment to load. This portfolio is essentially a website. No one can see this website right now except for you. Once you upload it to Classroom, then you're giving me access as well. You are not publishing it, okay? At the end of your senior year, you will publish it. And then you will get to decide who gets to see it. If it's a private publish or it's a public publish. I've had students utilize their portfolios for interviews, for college, for career, or just keep it for their person. And ultimately, I always have my seniors share it with a personal Google account in the end. So that way they have all their cover letter, resumes, certifications, all that stuff in one spot. Makes it very, very convenient. And I have students every year that says they use things out of this portfolio. Okay. So not just for a grade, but functional for your real life when you get out of here. Okay. So the very first thing I'd like you to do is go ahead and put your first and last name. Make sure you capitalize it. And then up here, you need to name your portfolio in the upper left-hand corner. Again, put your first and last name, ePortfolio. Mrs. Karn herself developed this project, and I developed the word ePortfolio. So whenever you write it, it's going to underline it and tell you it's not a real word, but it stands for electronic portfolio. Okay. So up in the upper left-hand corner, you should see ePortfolio, and you should see your name in there. Any questions so far? Okay, before I describe anything else, I would like for us to go ahead and upload it to the assignment. Okay, so let's go ahead. Let me get into a student account. Okay, go into the assignment, click Add or Create, click Google Drive. And yours should recently be in there. I'm in a student account right now, and my fake student's not working on it, but do you guys see it? Okay. Just don't click turn it. Okay. Just have it sitting there. Okay. Let me see if I can find an old one. No. Add it or create. Don't click turn it. Okay. All right. Now that we're on here, if you'd like, behind your name, you can make it a little bit more colorful if you like, if you don't like the gray. If you click change image and then click select image, there's some various colors you can choose from and designs. No, this is a professional, like working portfolio. And the nice thing is, whatever you choose, the color, it will lighten it automatically and adjust for readability. Okay. And the nice thing is too, you're not bound to this. So say next year you open this up and maybe you want to make it more career related or you want to make it a different design, you can change it as often as you desire. Okay. So I'm going to give you a few minutes and what I would like you to accomplish to for right now. For right now is you are going to obviously have your name, have a background, I'm going to have you add an image related in some way to your career tech program. Okay. So whether that's a paintbrush or a group of animals or some hair products or a salon or a computer or whatever. Okay. You're going to go out to Google and find a picture, save it, and then you can click on this little plus sign and upload or select image. Okay. The other thing you're going to do, wait 1 minute so I can explain that. I'm just going to let you work. Is everyone's going to have the same welcome paragraph here. So all you need to do is change your telephone number where you'd like to be contacted, and then your CTC email. You can get rid of this that says, go find an image. And then I'd like you to write one more paragraph in which you say what your career tech program is and why you joined it. What career do you hope to obtain after CTC, or what college or major do you hope to enter? And then you can also identify any extracurricular activities that are important to you, either at CTC or your home school through high school, okay, 9 through 12. So make a paragraph that kind of introduces you as a student and a career driven person. Looking for at least 5 sentences in this, and you can obviously delete this section and just type away, okay? I will tell you, Sites is just like docs or slides, it automatically saves, okay? So just leave it open. I'm going to give you some time to work on that, and then I'm going to explain the rest of the portfolio to you, okay? So do that now, please.